Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Elastic Cloud for Search and Observability. Full guide step by step clearly. To register with Elastic Cloud for Search and Observability, begin by navigating to the official Elastic website. Locate the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with the option to sign up for a free trial. Select the free trial option to initiate your registration process. Next, fill in the required fields in the registration form. Enter a valid email address for your account. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined. You may also be prompted to fill in your first and last name. Additionally, provide your company name if applicable. After completing the form, carefully review your entries for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Create Account button to move forward. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Check your email inbox for a message from Elastic Cloud. Open the confirmation email and click on the verification link inside. This step will verify your email address and activate your account. Upon verification, you will be redirected back to the Elastic Cloud interface. Log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you will be directed to the Elastic Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, you can select the option to create a new deployment. Choose between Search and Observability based on your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your deployment configuration. Customize your deployment settings, including region and resources. Once your configuration is complete, click on the Create Deployment button. This process may take a few moments as your deployment is being provisioned. Once provisioned, you will receive notification of successful deployment. You're now ready to start using Elastic Cloud for Search and Observability. Familiarize yourself with the available features through the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.